Hi everyone, it's Emilia here. Welcome to Fun Friday with Penny Black. In this video I'll be making one of the tags you can see on the screen. These are Love Valentine's tags, and I have chosen few dies which I'm going to die cut out of the watercolor paper. And I'm starting with the biggest element. It's a frame, it's like ribbed paper. It's one of the biggest one in the set. It's the second biggest in the set, and I'm inking the edges of it with vintage photo distress ink, and I'm focusing on the corners. I want the corners to be much darker than the rest, and this will be base of my tag. And also I'm going to ink all the other elements apart the big piece of paper with the dots, as I'm going to emboss this one in a minute. I'm only adding the shading to the elements. I'm not inking it heavily like an ombre effect, and on the swirls I want to have some parts much darker, so you will have to add more ink on some parts and just lightly on the others. I'm going to list all the products below the video. You can also visit Penny Black blog or Penny Black store to see what they've got. They've got really amazing dies, stamps, stencils, and loads of inspiration on the blog. I took my tag base and I'm going to add some stamping to have a lovely background, and I'm using the stamp positioning tool, but you can also use a acrylic block or just do it with your hands, as the stamp is really nice and flexible. And what I want to achieve here, the same as while inking, some places darker, some lighter, so I don't want to have it all equal. Probably darker on the top and on the bottom, and some lighter script in the middle. And here I'm going to emboss my piece of dotty paper, and I'm going to do it in two colors. Red, this is quite bright red, and gold. As you can see, I did the red first and now doing the gold one. To add some texture to my background, I'm going to rip that spotty paper in pieces and just adhere them on the tag. But first I want to check where is the middle of my tag, and I will make a hole and add a tag ring, whatever you call it, on the top. Then later I will put a twine through it. So I'll be embellishing it now, and it's actually not much to say. I will switch the music for you and talk to you a bit later. I finished my my tag, and I must say I found it quite adorable. That's why I decided to make another one, very similar, slightly different, but using the same technique, the same steps. I hope you like the video and you will be back to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching. Please visit Penny Black blog. Take care. Bye bye.